we're on our way. Double slide.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Oh.
From the beautiful Golden Horseshoe in Disneyland, California.
Oh.
We're proud to present
We're actually in
Golden
Disneyland.
Horseshoe Review, starring
This is
Wally
the
Ford,
Golden Horseshoe.
Donald Novus, Betty Taylor, and the gorgeous
Right here.
Golden Horseshoe Girl.
Woo.
And now, Professor Levere, if you please, the
We're not
overture.
gonna listen to this though. We're gonna listen. We're gonna do this in shuffle. Here we go.
What is that kid doing? Why are you skating?
Oh man.
Idiot.
Well, he can be skating here because the tunnel's now open. Oh, this is the song. Where are we going?
We're going on the tunnel.
Oh God!
Fantastic dreams.
Caution! Oh my God!
We're approaching it. It's so adventurous.
Oh my God!
Oh, what? Why does the sign
What?
say closed ahead?
What the?
Wait, hold on. Let's see. Wait.
Did people die already? What? What?
They lied.
What?
It's not open. What the fuck? Dude, they said it was gonna be open today. Man, I'm pissed, man.
Alright, no, we can't play this anymore.
It's not epic
We
anymore.
can't play this. Nope.
Wait, what the hell, dude?
Goodbye.
This is the last time.
Last
This
time.
is the last time we will drive on double slide. Oh, I think. I thought it
This
was
actually
Friday.
feels like a ride right now.